In this video, we will show you how to create an email template in Gmail. To create email template in Gmail, first we need to log in to our Gmail like this. After that, you can click the setting buttons in here and choose See All Settings. Then in here, go to Advanced tab. After that, in here there is Templates and you can click Enable. Then you can click Save Change. To create Gmail templates, you can just click Compose. And the Gmail template will only save the signs and subject, not to address in here. So we can just create templates on subject and the sign on our message. For example, for the subject, hello, this is like this, for example, and we can create template like we want. For example, just include name, address, and phone. After that, in the every we create a message, we can just insert this template later. To save this template, we can just click this three dot button and choose templates. In here, I have two templates before. Then we can save it, save draft as template and click save as new template. And we can enter the name we want. For example, my second template. Then we can click save. Let's try to close and reload our Gmail. And whenever we compose or create new message, we can just insert our template so we don't type manually again. Just click more option and click templates and please select your template. Voila, the template is appeared in here. To delete your existing template, we can just click three dot button and click templates and delete template and choose template you want to delete. For example, I want to delete my template in here. Then in here, we can maximum only save 50 templates. We can not create more than that. So hope this video helpful for you.